So what is actually Xiaomi self-install smart lock, convenience, or false security? Let me break it down for you. The Xiaomi self-install smart lock is a smart door lock made by Xiaomi that lets you lock and unlock your door using your phone, fingerprint, or a passcode, and you install it yourself without calling a locksmith. It's meant for homeowners and renters who want upgraded security without professional installation or high cost. How it works is pretty straightforward. You take off your old deadbolt, follow the included guide to fit the smart lock on your door, and pair it with the Mi Home app on your phone. Once set up, you can use fingerprint scans, app control, Bluetooth keys, or temporary passcodes for guests. Some versions even support voice control and activity logs. The pros? It's easy to install, works with multiple access methods, and the app shows who came and went. Many users say it's a big step up from basic locks and feels modern and convenient, which is actually nice if you like tech that just works. Downsides? Smart locks in general, including this one, can feel less secure than heavy mechanical deadbolts if someone tries physical break-ins. Connectivity issues or dead batteries can also lock you out if you're not careful. Some users have mentioned mixed experiences with long-term reliability too. Pricing as of 2026, Xiaomi smart locks typically range from about $100 to $180 depending on model and features, generally budget-friendly compared to premium smart locks from other brands. There's no paid app subscription. It's ideal if you want easy DIY installation and flexible entry options without spending a lot. But if your top priority is maximum physical security or heavy weatherproofing, a high-end lock from a security-focused brand might be better. So let me know what you think below and subscribe for more honest reviews.